Take you through it hour by hour, though. As we get towards later this evening, the chance of a few rain showers and snow showers working into our western counties by about 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. That'll move into the metro about midnight or shortly thereafter. It will likely start off as rain in Richmond and then change briefly to a mix. Farther north and west, it'll be all snow. But as we go during the overnight hours, that mix will gradually change to some snow in Richmond. But notice the farther south and east you go, it's going to be rain and not a lot of chance for snow there. As the system moves away, we will have a few hours of snow across the metro, more farther to the north and northeast during the overnight hours. But look at this. By the time we get towards daybreak tomorrow, there may be a few leftover flurries, but most of the kind of steadier stuff is going to be moving on out. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, this system a lot weaker, tracking farther north, and it's going to be moving through a lot more quickly than this past system. So we're not talking about a 4, 6, 8-hour window of seeing accumulating snow. There are parts of the metro, it may only be a couple hours. This is our accumulation map. It is essentially the same one we had last night and this morning. We just kind of tweaked a few things to make things a little bit more specific. The farther south you are, the least amount of snow you're going to get. In fact, our far southeastern counties probably not going to see anything. Up into the city, maybe about an inch or so, but farther north and west, there's a potential for 1 to 3 inches of snow. And that 1 to 3 technically goes all the way up into the northern part of the state. However, there's this little pocket here, our northern tier counties into northwestern Virginia. We may get some pockets in here that get 4 or 5 inches of snow. I don't think that's going to be an extremely widespread thing, but there will be some pockets in there that have the potential for over 3 inches of snow. And not really within our viewing area, but if you have some travel plans, the mountains could see in excess of 5 or 6 inches of snow. And a lot of this happens between about midnight and 5 a.m. Winter weather advisory in effect for the city, western Henrico County, and a lot of areas north of I-64. But again, the farther north you are, the more potential there is for a few inches of snow. 55 today. The snow comes in overnight tonight and is out of here by daybreak tomorrow. It'll be a breezy, chilly day with sunshine, 38 degrees. We're dry on Saturday, 17 in the morning, 39 for a high. The next system comes in Sunday with rain and a high of 52. And next week, we're going to have a lot of dry days, a mixture of 30s, 40s, and then later in the week, some 50s.